exploring Queen of Ragas, Bhairavi. Ragam Bhairavi is Janima of 20th Melakarta Natabhairavi, and it is a Bhashanga Ragam in which the Anya Swaram is Chatushruti Daivatam. The Chatushruti Daivatam comes in the Arohanam, and the original Swaram Shuddha Daivatam comes in the Avarohanam. You can sing the Arohanam Avarohanam in this way also. One is Sa ga re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Another one is Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. The Chatushruti Daivatam in the Arohanam and the Shuddha Daivatam in the Avarohanam, and their combination makes Bhairavi a journey of endless joy. Let me just start with the Bhairavi Geetam. I'll just sing few lines and illustrate. Ga re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma pa ma pa da ni da pa ma ni da pa ma ga re sa. Here pa da Chatushruti Daivatam, ni da pa Shuddha Daivatam, ma ni da pa Shuddha Daivatam, ma ga re sa. In the Sahityam, just see the beauty. Shri Rama Chandra Shrita Parim Jatam Samastam Shritam Parijatam Dani Nidapa. See the beauty of the Prayogam. Kamakshi Swarajati by Shyama Shastri. Kamakshi Amba. Then just see in this Swaram. Ma pa ni da ma pa da pa ma ga re ga ma pa ga ma pa ga pa ma ga re ni sa re ni sa re ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa pa sa ni da pa ma ga re da ni sa pa sa ni da pa ma ga re. Chatushruti Daivatam followed by Shuddha Daivatam. Bhakta jana kalpalatim ka karunalayam sadaya giritanayam kavavim sharanam gatudugatam tamasamuseya kavaramusagu Tamasamuseya kavaramusagu. Both the Daivatams are used here. See this Prayogam of both the Daivatams in Bhairavi Atatala Varnam. In the Anupallavi, Sa ni da pa ma ga re ga ma ni da pa ma ga re sa பத நிசரிக நிசரிக மாபம் நிததாமாபம். Here Sarasudau Dakshina Sanidapam Shuddhadaivatam Manidapa Shuddhadaivatam Magari pa magari sa padani sa pada. Here it is pada Chatushriti Devatam. So interweaving the Shuddhadaivatam and Chatushriti Devatam adds more and more beauty to Ragam Bhairavi. Another kriti of Saint Tyagaraja. Tyagaraja has composed innumerable kritis in Ragam Bhairavi. There are two Upacharamus. The small Upacharamu I am just illustrating. Upacharamu jeseva runnarani maruvakura. Now just see in the Charanam. Vakitane padilamugam Vatatmajo runnarani Vatat dada majo run nirisane dapam. So divine and beautiful. Similarly this kriti. Yenatinomu phalamu Ye natinomu phalamu Ye dana balamu Ye natinomu phalamu Nidapa Ye dana Nidapa Attarunam. Beautiful kriti by Papna Shivan. In the Anupalavi. Bhakta Paripalakane Parandamane Bhakta Paripalakane Parandamane Palakane Dani Sarisa Parandamane Sasarisane Dapa. Both the Devatams again are used in this line. Akriti by Bhadrachala Ramadas. Alola Tulasi Vanamala Bhushanam Shri Rama Rama Hare Shriman Narayana Giri. See, Alola Tulasi Vanamala Bhushanam Dani Sa 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 Chatushideram Shri Rama Padanidam Shri Rama Rama Hare Padanida Padanida Bam Shuddhadaivatam. Annamacharya Sankirtanam Alamelu Manga in Bhairavi tuned by Mahavidwan Nedunuri Krishnamurti Garu. Alamelu Mangani Abhinavam Rupamo Alamelu Garisasam Mangani Risane Dapam Ni Abhinavam Papa Padan Padani Dani Sam. Again Shuddhadaivatam followed by Chatushriti Devatam in the ascending order. From Ramanadaga Kirtanagal by Arunachala Kaviraya, this evergreen kriti யாரோ இவர் யாரோ. இந்த அனுப்பல்லவி காருலாவும் சீருலாவும் மீதிலையில், காருலாவும் சீருலாவும் தனி சாசம் மீதிலையில் ரேசனேதப்பாம். So, umpteen number of kritis, kirtanas, bhajans, devotional songs in the Queen of Ragams, Bhairavi. A small attempt in exploring the ragam by me. Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Matre Namaha.